Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Last time we read up to my longing, and I told you meaning of this very paragraph. Now we are going to start from here. I had endured too much, come too far, and suddenly, just like that, hope became knowledge. I was going to win. It was just a matter of when. It turned out to be a sooner than later. A gust of wind lifted my kite, and I took advantage. Fed the string, pulled up, looped my kite on top of the blue one. So he endured too much. Who? Amir. He's telling that I endured too much. Endured means when you are in the same position for a long period of time and you are not tired. Okay, you endure, you bore patiently. When you are bored but patiently, you don't, when you are bored and you tell that no, I'm not bored, you continue to that state. You remain in one state, okay? Come too far, he endured too much and he had come too far, and because there were only two contestants now. The blue kite and Amir. And suddenly, just like that, hope became knowledge, and just like that, that patience, and with that patience, hope became knowledge. I was hoping that I would win, and that became knowledge, and that hope became knowledge, and I knew that I was going to win. It was just a matter of when. So he was going to win. He knew that he was going to win, but when? That was a matter of concern. It turned out to be sooner than later. So I felt like that I will win soon than later. The way time passed by, I felt that sooner I'll win the game. A gust of wind lifted my kite and I took advantage. So gust of wind, एक हवा का झोंका आया that lifted his kite, who's Amir's kite, and he took advantage of that wind. He took advantage of the opportunity. Fed the string, pulled up. He fed the string. Fed the string means he made the string move. Pulled up, and he then pulled up the way you fly kites. Huh? He pulled up, looped my kite on top of the blue one. Looped means moved in the shape of a loop. So I made a loop, and on the top of blue kite I made my kite loop. Okay, I held position, so I took the position. The blue kite knew it was in trouble. The blue kite, the contestant who had a blue kite, he knew that he was in trouble, means he knew that he was going to lose. It was trying desperately to maneuver out of the jam, to move or turn skillfully. So it was trying desperately. Desperately means with all his this. When you wish something but that never happens, okay? It was trying desperately to maneuver. Maneuver means to move or turn skillfully. To turn out of the jam. Out of the jam means to turn out of the trouble. To move out of the trouble. But I didn't let go. I didn't let go him. Okay? I held a position. So I took my position and I was very keen and very cautious. The crowd sensed and was at hand. So the crowd knew that the end was at hand, means the end was very near. The chorus of cut him grew louder, like Romans chanting for the gladiators to kill, you are almost there, Amir Agha, almost there, Hassan was panting. So the chorus means when you sing a group of people who sing it happens usually in plays and dramas. There is a chorus and it's a group of people who sing. And now the chorus, there were a large number of crowds who were chanting what? Cut him means cut the blue kite. It grew louder, like what? Like Romans were Roman, the people who belong to Rome. They were chanting for the gladiators to kill. And the sound was like that. It became louder, like Romans who chanted for the gladiators. Gladiators means men trained to fight in a performance. Who chanted for gladiators to kill. You are almost there, Amir Aga, almost there. Hassan was panting. So Hassan was he was breathing quickly with short breaths. Okay, Shamashish cousin. And then you're almost there, almost there. Then the moment came, I closed my eyes and loosened my grip on the string. It sliced my fingers again as the wind dragged it. And then I didn't need to hear the crowd's roar to know. I didn't need to see either. Hassan was screaming and his arm was wrapped around my neck. Bravo, bravo, Amir Aga. So then the moment came, then a time came. I closed my eyes and loosened my grip on the string. That string of the kite, I made that loose. I had held that very tightly, and now that I have loosened it. It sliced my fingers again as the wind dragged it. So it made my fingers cut again as the wind took it towards itself. Okay. It means ये इसके हाथ से फिसल गई ये string. And then what happened? The wind dragged this and it sliced his fingers again. And then I didn't need to hear the crowd's roar to know. And after that, I didn't need to hear the crowd's roar to know that whether I have won or not, because I knew that I have won. So I didn't want, and I didn't need to hear the crowd's roar. I didn't need to see either. I didn't need to see either what? I didn't need to see either whether I have won or not. Hassan was screaming and his arm was wrapped around my neck. So I didn't need to see either. So I didn't need to see either whether I have won or not, because that feeling of winning. And then I didn't need to see either. Hassan was screaming and his arm was wrapped around my neck. So Hassan was screaming, he was crying loudly. And he wrapped me around my neck, he hugged me and told me what? Bravo, bravo, Amir Aga, means he had won the match. He had won the kite competition. He didn't, because what? At that moment came, he closed his eyes because he had already won, and he closed his eyes and he loosened his grip and it sliced his fingers again. And then he didn't need it because he knew that he had won. He didn't need to hear the crowd roar, and he didn't need to see either whether he has won, because it was the moment had come. He had already won the match. We will stop here. Tomorrow we will continue the exercise of this lesson. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.